Hey everyone, Cherie here. I've just had the Felicity Jane Taylor Kit arrive on my doorstep, so I'm going to give you a closer look at what is included in the kit this month. This is the kit for October 2020. As you can see, the colours are very much that fall or autumn feel, which is really beautiful. So I'm going to start off with the alphabet. This is a gold foiled alphabet. Really beautiful. This is going to be perfect to keep for Christmas as well, to use in your December album. We do have the white with the gold foil lines in the detail here. I'll give you a closer look at that because it is just so pretty. You can see that there. And as you can see, there's multiples of each letter. We have all the numbers as well, and there's some punctuation here too. So that is the alphabet. We also have the Essentials label stickers number 2. Now, if you remember back a few months ago with the Catherine kit, we had the Essentials label stickers number 1. So this is a follow-on from that, and just like the number 1 set, the number 2 set has a great variety of colours. So each sheet you get all of these labels. They are like a cardstock label, so really nice for stamping on. So we've got this colour here, really sort of darkish pinky colour. We've also got this rusty brown sort of colour, a mustardy colour here, a really light pink, and a fuchsia type purpley pinky colour. So they're always handy to have in your stash, and as you can see, this kit perfect for, but these will coordinate with so many other kits, which is fantastic. All right, we also have the Taylor stamp set. Lots of really fun border stamps in this one, and this will be perfect for using on tags or in your traveler's notebook on those pages. The size is really lovely. So we've got this grid, we've got little scallops, there's a triple line here, we've got polka dots, another scallop here, slightly different to this one, some vertical lines, stars, hearts, and we've got these cute little bows at the bottom. And if your name is Taylor, or you have a child with the name Taylor, you're in luck because we have the little Taylor stamp in the bottom corner. So that is the Taylor stamp set. Okay, we also have some washi included this month, and it's this rust colour. I'll just see if I can get this going so I can peel that open to show you. Oop. Having a little bit of trouble there. Okay, so it's this really lovely polka dot in that rust color there, and this month the washi tapes are slightly smaller with the roll size, but you get just as much washi on the roll. It's just going to be perfect for taking up a little bit less space in your stash when you're storing your washi. So that is the polka dot washi. We also have some sequins in the kit this month, and there are lots of little flowers and leaves. These are lots of fun. Perfect for shaker pockets. You could thread these onto some twine or thin thread to string across your page or down your project, to hang it off a binder ring, all sorts of things you can do with that. So lots of fun colours in that. Sequins are always a fun thing to have in your stash. Okay, we also have the Taylor epoxy stickers. I'm going to open this one up because this month they are clear. So you can see there, they have that clear backing. The previous epoxy stickers we've had have had the white background, but these are clear. So we've got sweater weather there, we've got this cute little house, a rainbow, a bow, some little acorns here and leaves. We've got the beautiful floral here, which you can see that's on the pattern paper as well. We've got some little hearts, and then right down the bottom we have the words "Remember this, beautiful, and a happy day." So I love the fact that they're clear, because no matter what paper you put it on, you're going to be able to see that pattern come in behind it. So that's a lot of fun. So they are the epoxy stickers, and there are 22 stickers on that sheet. Okay, next up we have the journaling cards. So as always, there are 12 cards included in the kit. On the back, we always have either a grid or a dot grid, which is a really great neutral card to have. You can use them for journaling, turn them into tags, mat your photos with them. There's lots of things you can do with that. But on the front is where all the fun is. So let's have a look at the different patterns we have this month. So we've got this rust colored card with a large white heart in it, perfect for embellishing with die cuts and stamping. Next up is this one here. It's white with black lines, perfect for journaling. We also have a diagonal black stripe. I'm absolutely loving this bold striped card in all of those colors. Absolutely beautiful. We have the autumn word here. You can add extra words onto this to make it into a title or just leave it as is. It's a really lovely card. This one here is that pale pink with a rust polka dot. So that's a really pretty one there. This one here, black gingham, and we have this small space here to add either some stamping or word stickers. I think those epoxy stickers would even fit in there. And yes, they do. Perfect size to fit in that little space. All right, so that's that one. Oh, we have this rainbow. Absolutely love this one in all of those colors. This one here has some faint lines for journaling, and at the top here it says today's win on that rust background. We also have this grid card here, another one perfect for journaling and embellishing. We have a pretty floral card here, and the last one is this lovely olive green with a scallop. It looks like a sketched type scallop on that one. So they are the journaling cards. Okay, let's take a closer look at the die cut shapes. I've zoomed in a little bit so you can get a closer look at these. There are 28 pieces included in this pack. So let's start over on this side. We've got some labels here. There's our chapter 10 label. Each month there's been a little chapter label included in the pack. This is chapter 10 for October. We also have a couple of tabs. I love using those. I've got the little mustard bow down here. We've got this little strip of leaves and acorns. Super cute. I'm loving these colors. Then we have these little scalloped pieces. These are roughly 3 inches wide, and we've got the black gingham, rust, mustard, mint, and that beautiful fuchsia color. At the top here, we've got 3 tags. These are roughly 2 by 3 inches in size, and each of them has the little slot at the top there, which is perfect for adding ribbon to. And this one here is like a little library card, so it's got author, title, date, and borrower's name there. But I really love this striped card, so pretty, and that floral card is gorgeous too. We've got some more florals and leaves down here, some in black and white and green and others in the full color. I absolutely love this piece here. It's a little hanging home sign. Isn't that adorable? Love that. We've got Taylor here looking great in her outfit. This is definitely something I would wear every day, so I'm really liking that one. We've got some little hearts, a little cup here, the word cozy in that circle, and we have this journaling piece as well, which is really fun, perfect for adding journaling or even a title to on your project. So they are the die cut shapes. All right, next up we're going to take a look at the Taylor paper pack. As always, make sure you keep the packaging strip. I've used these on so many different projects, but you know, you can cut these out, tuck them in behind photos, use them on their own as a pattern paper strip on your project. You can make these into a little mini book. I've seen it folded to make a little mini book, which is super cute. Cut them into tags, whatever you like, but make sure you do use that whenever you can. All right, so all throughout this year we have had our month title cards included in the paper pack, and this month we get October, November and December. So as always, there's lines on the back there for you to add your journaling to. I've been using these sometimes in my pocket page album, but you could use these on layouts as well. You could fussy cut them out to use them in your planner. So many different things you could use those for. With December, if you are a subscriber, there is only 11 kits included in the subscription, and the December kit is an optional kit. Details about that kit are coming out mid-October, so very, very soon. And as soon as I have that kit, I will absolutely do an unboxing and share that with you. I really can't wait to see the December kit and to have a play, as I really do love documenting December. But if you are collecting these cards and using them, you do have all of those included in this paper pack. All right, so the gorgeous papers. This one here called Floral, we have these really pretty floral motifs all over this pattern. The background is a very pale pink, really pretty, and a fine white grid in the background as well. So these little motifs would be perfect to cut out and use on your layout or cards even. You can fussy cut them into their little grid shape if you wanted to, but that's a gorgeous paper. On the back of that we have this black and white stripe, and the branding strip on this is that really lovely polka dot, one of my favorites. Next up we have this rust plaid. On the back of that is tiny floral. You can see that little floral there, really sweet. And the branding strip here is that pink with a rust grid on it. So it's really nice. Next up we have this Swiss dot paper in that gorgeous olive green. Love that one. On the back, this pattern is diamond. And then we've got this multicolored stripe for the branding strip there. Here we have diagonal pink lines on this one. And on the reverse, we've got dotted stripe in the black and white, and the branding strip on this one is mustard with rows of tiny hearts. Now we have this mustard dots paper. Love that, with all the different size dots. On the back, this one's called dashes, and the dashes are actually in a variety of the kit colours. So some of them are very subtle. We've got that little mint colour, there's mustard, the olive colour, fuchsia, pinks, really, really nice. So the branding strip for that one is more of those leaves and acorns, which is really fun. All right, I think this is the last one here. This one's called Floral Shadow in those lovely tones of pink. On the back we have black gingham. Love that, always love a gingham paper. And the branding strip on this one is that olive green with that sketchy scallop. Loving that. As always, we have the two solid colour papers included in the pack. So on one side we have the rust, on the other is that pinky colour. Then we have the olive green and mustard. So these are slightly longer than 12 by 12 because that scalloped piece there is like the branding strip. But I really like to cut it to 12 inches from the bottom, cut that top bit off, and then use it as my 12 by 12 background, and that way you get that little scallop piece down the bottom. Or you can cut it to 12 by 12 and just have a solid piece of paper to use as a background or a border. These are great for punching as well, backing your photos with, so really handy. And as always, the papers are just such a beautiful quality. Absolutely love using everything Felicity Jane. Okay, so that is everything that's included in the kit this month. There are a few extra bits and pieces available in the stores separately. There's another washi here. This one is in that little plaid with the rust colour. And we also have this month some binder rings in these gorgeous, gorgeous colours. So these are, let me just measure. Okay, so these are 1 3/4 inch rings. We have 2 of the gold. Absolutely love those gold ones. I've only ever used silver ones when I've made little mini albums and things, so I'm really excited to see these other colours. So we've got white ones, and we've also got pale pink, which is so, so pretty. I've just used one here to put my embroidery threads on. I've picked out these colours to match the kit this month, which I'll just run through with you if you are interested in getting those out to do some hand stitching on your pages. So I've got 225, 224, 3688, I've got 918, 3051, and 7 to 9. So they are the colours that I've chosen out of my little stash of embroidery threads. I certainly don't have every colour, but these were the colours I chose out of my stash that best match the colours in the kit. So as you can see, you can use those binder rings for something like that. You can put your washi onto them as well, just like you can see on the website at the moment. But a lot of these things will be used for mini albums, and I have made mini albums in the past using rings like these, and they are just absolutely perfect. So this pack comes with 2 of each of the colours, but in the shop you will see you can buy packs of just the gold ones, just the white ones, or just the pink ones. And there's 6 in this pack. Okay, I think that's about it. I've shown you everything that's included this month. I did just look on the website this morning, and it looks like the pre-packaged kit is sold out. However, all of these things are available separately in the store, or if you just wanted the papers and the label stickers, for example, you could do that and just get those things. So head on over to the store. I'll leave a link down below for you. You can go and check that all out for yourself. And I look forward to bringing you some projects using the beautiful Taylor kit very, very shortly. Thanks so much for joining me today. Bye for now.